In one of my video, I talked about these two pens. One that comes with laptop and works on laptop, and this is Apple Pencil that works on iPad. I received few comments on that video that since these two options are costly and even the pad, digital pen pad is also costlier, is there an option that is cheap, let us say less than 1000 rupees? I searched on Amazon and what I found is this pen. This pen is very low cost pen. It cost around 400 rupees. It has this nib that allow you to write on touch screen devices including laptop, iPad and mobile phone. So I ordered it and then I try to use it on devices. In this video, I will share my experiences about this pen and I believe you will find this video very useful and after watching it, you will buy it. Since I am going to keep it with me all time, this has become my favorite tool now. And why? That I will tell you in this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. As you can see, I have these two devices, iPad and laptop. This laptop supports this pen and I can write on this screen with the help of this pen. And this iPad supports this Apple Pencil and I can use this Apple Pencil to write on this device. Unfortunately, both of these pens does not support this smartphone. I can't write on this smartphone with the help of any of these two pens. So I searched on internet and what I found is this pen. This pen claims to support, in fact, write on any touchscreen device. So I ordered this and when I found the package was looking something like this. As you can see, it is known as ELV. I don't know what is the name of this, what is the meaning of this name, but I found it very useful. So when I opened this package, what I found is these two items. One is a spare stylus that can be connected to this pen and then this pen. So what I did, I opened this pen from here and what I found this type of nib which was really confusing. I thought how can I write with this nib? So I open it and then I realized that I can write on device with this small tip. So I tried to put it inside like this or try to open it, but nothing was working out. So I thought that maybe this is just a cover and I need to remove it. So I tried to pull it, but it was not working. So what I did, then I realized that actually this tip, this top portion is going to act as our fingers. And then I put it back here like this. And now this whole tip is going to act as a pen. Then I thought if this is going to be so big, see you can see this is very big. How I can write on a mobile screen with this? Because I need something that is like a pencil or pen. But I tried this pen on my mobile first. I opened this special app which is known as Liveboard to write on mobile. So I opened a blank page and I try to use this pen to effectively use on this phone. So I can actually erase it because I have eraser. That was fine. Obviously I can erase it. But what about when I want to write it? Let me rotate the screen. Now the screen is rotated and I have selected this pen. Okay. Now I try to write with this pen ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What I found, I can actually write the same way I write with my fingers. And the pen, this drawing which I was thinking that it will come bolder because of this bold tip of this pen, was actually coming very thin. It was not bold at all. I was able to draw. See, I am able to draw with this pen the way I draw with my fingers and I can actually write now with the help of this pen on my mobile device, which I was unable to do with this pencil or this pen, correct? The only problem that I found in using this pen that I can't write on this device when my hand is on this. See, when my hand is on this, my hand will also act as a touch point, and in that case, this is second touch point. Okay, so first touch point is this hand, second touch point is this, and this is why I will not be able to use the pen when my hand is on this device. So I need to create a mechanism in order to write effectively on this, and when you are writing on this device, then you can keep the recording on to create your video. So those who are not able to afford a digital writing pen, they can actually try this, and if you found it useful, maybe you will, with the little practice, you will be able to create an awesome educational video. So although my problem is solved, still I thought that why not try this on iPad as well as on laptop. So let me now show you how this pen behaves with iPad and laptop. In order to test this pen on iPad, what I need an application that allow me to write, and paper is one such application that allow me to write. So I can write on it with the help of pencil. See, I will select a color which is darker so that you can see it, and then I will select a bolder tip so that you can see it easily. I will now try to write with this pen, and I can see that it is writing, although it's not taking it like this. This particular application is not considering this as a pencil because Apple iPad understands the touch of a pencil and touch of a finger. So this application is considering this as finger. See, if I use finger, it will smudge. Similarly, this is also smudging this particular thing which is written on it. While if I use an Apple Pencil to write on it, it will actually consider it as pencil. But with this, it's not considering it as pencil, but it is considering as touch. So maybe there are some setting that allow to draw with touch. In that case, I should be able to use this pen on iPad. Maybe it is there in OneNote. Let's open OneNote and let me present it let's select draw and try to draw. No, it's not drawing. Maybe I'll select draw with touch. See, in OneNote, this option is there, draw with touch. If I select, then maybe because this iPad is considering this touch, not pencil touch, so I should be able to write. Yes, I am able to write with the help of this stylus on OneNote. Okay, and what other things I can do? I will now try to write when my hand is on this iPad. So I will try to do that. And yes, wow, this is cool because now a big problem is solved. If you have an iPad that doesn't support Apple Pencil, this is working really nicely because even though my hand is on this iPad, I am able to write. And this is a very big problem solved for many instructors. See, I am able to write. I am able to select a different pen and then I am again able to write it. So with OneNote, iPad and this pen, I think a bigger problem is solved for many instructors. Now we have tested this. Let's now talk about this laptop. I will first fold it so that I can write effectively. Now this is folded. I will now open an application that allow me to write. So I will search for OneNote and I will open it. So I am using this pen to touch, not this laptop pen. Okay. So let me now make it full screen and scroll it and let's try to write. Select a pen and write. No, it's not allowing me to write because of the same reason. What I need to say that let me write with the touch also. So I have selected this option and now I believe I will be able to write on this laptop also. Okay, if I don't have an active pen that comes with this laptop and the laptop is touch screen, then I should be able to use this pen to write on screen effectively. And since this is a big screen, not a small screen like our smartphone, so we have a bigger area to write. This is why I should be able to write properly. Let me try to write properly. So what I'll do, I will scroll, then I'll select write with touch, and now I will try to write the way we actually going to make our video. See, it is writing effectively, there is no problem. The only problem is that I am not able to put my hand here. Let me now try that too. So I am going to put my hand and now I will try to write. So yes, no, it's not allowing me to write. So although it is allowing, but it's not effective. See, sometimes it's writing, sometimes it is not writing. So you need to, if you want to keep your hand on the screen, then this is not very effective. While when using this active pen, I can actually write while my hand is here. See, I am putting my hand on screen and still I can write effectively. There is no problem in that at all. Okay. So I believe now you know what's the difference between this pen and these other pens that actually comes with device. They have these types of pen have full compatibility with the devices, while this is just a workaround if you do not have the amount to buy the pens or devices, or if you do not have a device that supports pen or pencil. Now I believe you know everything about this pen. You know how to use it with iPad, with laptop, as well as with your smartphone. And now you should be able to make a decision whether you need to buy this or not. As far as my decision is concerned, this is going to be present in my bag all the time because I want to save my fingers from these touchscreen devices. I'll see you in my next video now. Namaste.